Hi friends, welcome to my simple Indian recipes. In this video we'll see the recipe for tomato tokko. This makes for a very nice side dish with roti, chapati or dosa. Currently when tomatoes are available in abundant and in cheap, this makes for a nice way to make and store the tomatoes. Before we get started, do press the subscribe button for more such videos. Now let us get started. For this recipe I have taken half a kg of ripe tomatoes. I washed them and I have dried them. Make sure that there is no water. Quarter cup of tamarind I have taken. I have cleaned the tamarind. Now I am going to roughly chop the tomatoes. You don't have to chop the tomatoes finely since we are going to grind it. Now all the tomatoes are being chopped. Now we are quickly transferring it to a dry pan. We will close the lid and we will cook it on low to medium flame. Make sure that there is no oil or no water. In the juices of tomato, it cooks on its own. After 2 to 3 minutes, when tomatoes become a little soft, we are adding the tamarind. We'll clean the tamarind and we are adding it. Now after 5 minutes, you can see that the tomatoes are cooked. They have become soft. I am pressing the tomatoes from the back of the spoon such that the big chunks are being broken. Now we can see that the tomato and the tamarind are both cooked. We'll let it cool down. Now for the spice mix, I have taken 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. I have dry roasted it. Now I am taking 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. We will dry roast it till the mustard starts to splutter. Now we can see that it is roasted well. We'll make the mustard seeds and the methi seeds powder separately. Now to a mixer jar I am adding the mixture of tomato and the tamarind which was cooked and which is cooled down now. 1 teaspoon of methi seeds powder which I am adding. 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds powder. Now I am adding 10 to 12 cloves of garlic. Adding garlic gives a nice taste. If you don't use garlic, you can skip this. Now I am adding salt as per taste. Now we are adding the chili powder. I have added approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili powder. You can add the chili powder based on the spiciness you like. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder. This will balance out all the flavors. Now we'll grind this mixture to a fine paste. Now you can see that the mixture is ready. Now to make the tadka for this, I have taken about 5 cloves of garlic, 2 badigi chilies, some curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 cup of oil, hing or asafoetida. Add the oil to the pan. Oil acts as a preservative. The more you add the oil, the better it is. I have added some mustard seeds, curry leaves, some cloves of garlic, 2 badigi chilies, hing. I am adding the ground tomato paste. We'll cook it for 2 to 3 minutes till we see that the oil starts leaving from the sides. This is when we know that it is cooked well. We will cook it on a medium flame. Now after it cools down, we will transfer it to a glass jar and store it. Make sure that there is no water. Any water, it will reduce the shelf life. So this makes for a very tasty side dish along with roti or chapati. Do try this recipe. If you like the recipe, do like, share and comment. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel for more such videos.